Jan from Sharpsburg, Georgia, has a question about stucco transformation.
Tom, she wants to change this out right here. I mean, some people like that look, but Jan, I guess, has grown tired.
I guess a for sale sign will help.
That's true. Jan, that's one way to go. Jan writes, we're looking to replace our stucco with Hardie board. I want to know, what would that entail? And how do we choose a contractor for that, Tom?
Well, when you're choosing a contractor, that you want someone that's used to working with Hardie, and Hardie has a great program. They have the elite preferred installers. So I would tell you, find one in your area. In Georgia, I don't know, but I'm sure there's probably many.
I bet you go to the jameshardy.com site. They got a little tool to help you.
Okay, a little tool.
Yeah.
I like that. Well, anyway, with a little tool, you'll find one near you. But the bottom line is it's going to be a little tricky because the stucco is going to have to come off, and then it's going to have to go against the structure. But they'll go through the proper procedure, because one of the beauties about Hardie is they plan everything out. It's not just, hey, here's the siding, you figure it out. So they'll have special details and things that will be necessary, and that's why you want the elite preferred, because they know exactly what to do and how to install it.
I just wonder, when you pull that stucco off the house, Tom, how do you, I mean, it's one thing to put the siding on, but like you were referring to the detail when you get to doors and windows and stuff, how do you detail that to make that work?
Well, first off, I don't know, because is it traditional stucco? Is it the EFIS system that's on there? So I don't know what's behind there yet.
Right.
And that's where they're going to have to do a little bit of experimentation to find out what really kind of stucco you have, and then they'll have to detail the windows and doors and things.
Right.
And that'll all come to pass after they know exactly what they're working with.
All the reason to get a Hardie Elite Preferred contractor on that job. So, all right, you got a question? We'd prefer to give you an elite answer. Just send it to us, the question that is, at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. You'll see answers like these videos over here. And, of course, you subscribe to our channel, we'll send you a gold star.